Shoulder up! Guards! General salute! Prison up!
Thank you very, very much. Well, can I just say to all of you, thank you very much for the very warm invitation to be here. This is a unit that I've heard about for some time. My colleague and our Minister of Police, Mark Mitchell, is a former dog handler in New Zealand, and he has talked to me about this unit here for a number of years, and so I know he would love to be here. I'm sure he'd love to come and visit you at some point. You just may not get him to leave because I probably want to continue the good work here. But can I just say it is really important work, and we were just talking with the Minister over lunch about some of the challenges with respect to narcotics in our region. And obviously the investment here with the detector dogs makes really good sense, and the more that we can do as part of our tool set that we can deploy to push back on narcotics is actually very important. So again, can I just say congratulations on what you've built and what you've achieved here. It's absolutely fantastic, and we'll continue to support you as best we can, as much as we can. So we appreciate everything you do. Thank you. Yeah, the attachment's very strong, isn't it? Oh, you said good to see you. Thank you for letting me come by your place. That's great. It's an amazing facility, isn't it? I should be proud of it. No, it's amazing. That's incredible. So everyone's
pretty grateful.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay.
So you've got this check.
What's the name of your dog? Herb. Herb. I love that. That's great. Did you choose the name?
No.
No, you just get given the name?
Yeah.
There you go. And how long have you two been together?
This year.
Just this year?
Yeah.
Oh, just new?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Well, lovely to meet you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Fantastic. Hello, how are you? Good to see you. Nice to meet you. Honoured to meet you too. What's the name of your dog?
Female 14.
Fantastic. And how long have you guys been together?
I've just been with the female for 6 months.
6 months, yeah. Fantastic. And he'll be used for customs in particular. Good to see you. I'm Chris. Nice to meet you. What's the name of your dog?
This is Kayla Scully. She's like,
Kayla Scully? Oh. It's all very confusing. Look at this picture around.
yeah. She's 2 months.
A year and 2 months. Oh, very young. Yep. I'm amazed at how young they are when you've got them fully trained, eh? Yes, it's pretty cool. That's fantastic. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
How are you, sir? Good to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Fantastic. What's the name of your dog?
Storm.
Storm. Storm.
Yeah.
And you don't get to choose the name?
Nope.
No. I appreciate it so much, and thank you for what you do.